I'm going to show you guys how to make a really cool small stove for a deer blind or ice shack or whatever, a tent, survival, whatever, real easily and quickly, and it works great. And you can cook on it. It's got a nice big cooking surface for pots and pans, what have you. As you can see by my mess tin cup, you could even put the big container on there and heat up if you wanted. And we'll start right with the housing. This was a metal welding rod tin, and it's heavy duty enough to do this job. This overfire exhaust, this is the flange off an old exhaust system, salvage part. This bottom underfire is a wall flange off of for hanging a curtain rod, or I mean a clothes hanger rod in the closet. This is just an old knob and bolt hooked to a washer inside. This door I just made, these are all hand fabricated parts. It's just a little piece of metal with a spring so I don't burn my hand, and a little latch, and an old cabinet hinge. And my latch there is an old, there's the curtain rod holder right there. So it just fits in that little groove. Inside is, I got a log grate, keep the wood out the bottom, or whatever you're burning. You can see that inside under fire washer. So the way that works is that's just closed, you just move it open. Closed, open, that's all it is. And for the bottom legs, I've just used bolts, and I've cut a little sleeve for them out of metal tubing, and I put them on with a washer so they won't wobble. And that's the whole stove. You're done. This door latch is nice and tight. And this door, by the way, is just a cut piece of metal that fit, and I just used the original round hole of the welding rod opening for the can, of course, for my fuel entry. So simple, so easy to build. Really quick project, last you a long time. Even if it didn't, it's so easy to make and so economical to make. Even if it didn't last a long time, who cares? And ice fishing stoves are expensive. You don't want to have to buy that, especially if you can make something better yourself and cooler. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Please subscribe.